When you do the test tip feature on the computer, it's a simple process. All you have to do is just test them once a week, and that'll keep you current. You'll know where you're at. It doesn't force you to change your tips. You can still use them, but you are now knowledgeable. You know that these things are getting to a tolerance level that you should replace them, and you can work that into your budget to get that done. It's a great tool. Make sure you take advantage of it. The other thing, and I'm repeating myself over and over again on this, but this part from here down is open to the atmosphere. Every night, take your tips off, clean them, rinse this out. We don't want material building up in here because it will stick to itself, and over time, it's going to narrow down your passageway. You're going to have less flow through there, and your performance of the machine is going to be challenged. If you're just rinsing this out and cleaning it every night, your performance is going to be better, and the amount of time you have to spend cleaning the machine will ultimately be less, because cleaning those out when they're packed full of material takes a lot more time than just rinsing it with water daily. So your preventive maintenance on the machine, can't stress it. Spend a little extra time and do it. You'll absolutely be grateful that you're doing those extra steps, because it's going to keep you out there producing and putting more material on the surface.